US dollar attempting to strengthen again. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNETs, the world's leading retail brokerage firm, offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The euro initially did rally against the US dollar during the early hours on Thursday, but it has given back quite a bit of those gains to show a little bit of hesitation. At this point, I think we are paying close attention to the 1.12 level, which is the top of the previous consolidation area. At this point, we are showing signs of exhaustion again, and I think it's likely that we continue to see the US dollar at least put up a fight. After all, we had shot straight up in the air in the euro, and now it looks like we are trying to find some type of equilibrium. The question at this point will be whether or not we are going to head back into this consolidation area that we had been in for a couple of years. I think the evidence points to that being true. The US dollar has fallen against the Japanese yen, but it found support in the same 146 yen level again during the trading session on Thursday to bounce a bit. So I think at this point we will have to see whether or not we can turn around and break above the top of the candlestick for the day on Thursday. And then at that point, I would anticipate that more momentum comes into the picture. The 145 yen level underneath is a large round psychologically significant figure and an area that previously had been support and resistance. So it'll be interesting to see how that holds, but that's a level that I'd be watching as well. Remember, you get paid to hang on to this pair, so that interest rate differential does help. The Australian dollar initially tried to rally a bit during the early hours on Thursday and then fell again. We are dancing around the 200-day EMA, which of course is an indicator that a lot of people will be paying close attention to, right along with the 0.64 level underneath, which is support. If we break down below the 0.64 level, then I think the Aussie falls pretty significantly. On the other hand, if we break above the 0.65 level, then I think you have the possibility of the market really taking off to the upside, perhaps reaching to 0.67. Right now, I think we're just working off some of the excess froth from that massive bounce previously. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.